Want your sentences to always start with a capital letter without manually capitalize it? The Samsung keyboard can do that for you automatically. It's called auto capitalize, and once enabled, it saves you time while texting or writing, like when you are chatting on WhatsApp. To do so, open any app where the keyboard pop-ups, like when you are texting on WhatsApp. Tap the text field to open up the keyboard. Tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Next, tap more typing option. And then enable auto capitalize. Now go back to WhatsApp. Then try to type a sentence and add a period. Hit space, and the keyboard will automatically capitalize the first letter of the next sentence for you. Given to the function, auto capitalize makes texting and typing cleaner and faster. If you often forgot to put the first letter of a new sentence in capital or just want to save keystroke, turn this on and let your keyboard do the work. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.